When discussing mechanical keyboards, we will mostly focus on their main feature, mechanical switches. Today, there is a wide range of switches with varying properties. Key ones include operating force, T-travel, full travel, and sound. Operating force is the amount of force required to press a key and register a keystroke. It is usually measured in grams or centi-newton. P-travel, the distance the key travels before it activates the switch and registers a keystroke. This is measured from the key's resting position to the point where the switch is triggered. Full travel, the total distance a key can be pressed from its resting position until it reaches the bottom of the switch. In the maximum depth the key can travel. Sound refers to the noise level produced by the switch when it pressed. Some switches are quieter, like linear, while others are louder, clicky, or produce a tactile bump. These parameters are exactly what the color of specific switch indicates. The color coding was introduced by Cherry in 1983. This is first switch which was created for keyboard. At that ancient time, the original Cherry MX switches had a basic color coding system that was far less developed than what we see today. Despite the modern wide variety of switches, they can be divided into three main types. Linear switches are smooth and ideal for gaming. Tactile switches offer feedback for accurate typing. Clicky switches provide sound and feedback for satisfying typing. So, what else is there in mechanical keyboards besides switches, and what might an average user encounter? Keycaps.
Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene.
A widely used material for keycaps. It is relatively affordable. They have a worn appearance over time due to oils from your fingers.
Polybutylene terephthalate. I don't want to say these words anymore.
Keycaps tend to retain their matte texture. They are often favored for a higher-end keyboard.
Polyoxymethylene.
Known for its smoothness and durability, foam is often used for premium keycaps. It resists wear and provides a stable and solid feel.
Polycarbonate.
Sometimes used for transparent keycaps, especially for RGB or LED lighting effects. It's more brittle than other plastics, but provides a clear, vibrant light diffusion. Also, keycaps have many different types of printing. For example, double shot printing, the most durable method for printing on ABS keycaps. In this method, two different colors of plastic are injected into the mold. Pad printing. This is another method where ink is applied to the surface of the keycap using a silicone pad. Keycaps also come in different profiles, which can affect both typing comfort and the overall look of the keyboard. There is no objectively best profile. It is best to choose based on personal preference. And you can find more info about keycaps profiles on website keycaps.info. I will leave a link in the description for you. The keyboard form factor is the physical shape and size of the keyboard and the amount of keys. Basically, the percentage indicates the number of keys on the keyboard. There are also two layouts. So, how do I know if my keyboard is ANC or ISO? Check the entry key shape on your keyboard. An L-shaped entry key indicates an ISO layout, and rectangular entry key is a sign of an ANC. Also, you can find different shape of left shift key in ISO layouts. You can ask which form factor exists except standard. For example, ortholinear keyboard. These keyboard keys are arranged in a grid perfectly aligned columns and rows. Can be more comfortable because requires less finger movement. But these keyboards are harder to find, customize or replace. Next type. Split keyboard. Split keyboards are type of ergonomic keyboard that are divided into two separate parts, either physically or logically. Today you can find many guides on how to create your own split keyboard. I will leave a link in the description to the GitHub with these guides. There are many of additional stuff that you can buy for your keyboard, for example stabilizers, components used under a larger case to prevent them from tilting. You can also buy lubricant for stabilizers for smoother pressing. This is not necessary, as they usually already have a standard lubricant from the manufacturer. That's all I wanted to say. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching until the end.